Alright, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through for a little tired edition as we make our way back into a 4-day work week here. Limited amount of sleep. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Alright, this is a classic circle Pythag problem. That's what I like about geometry, is it just starts to relate all these things that you may not have thought were related. So, you got, for some reason, this wheel has a cord running through it. Okay? Maybe they had to fix it or something. Now, that cord has a length of 12, the whole thing. Okay? And then the radius is 10. Well, the radius goes to the center of the circle, right, Carson?
Yeah.
Well, there's two things about this chapter that are really important. One, if a segment is perpendicular to a chord, then what does that segment do to the chord? Well, it also bisects it. That's the theorem you learned. This is how we're going to turn this from a circle problem to a right triangle problem. Exactly. Now, so if that 12 is bisected, what's the measure of each side? 6 and 6. Very good. You see this Michael Jackson triangle showing up? That's right. So that means the distance from the chord to the center is 8, because 6 squared plus x squared is 10 squared. And if you solve that thing, we know that x is 8 from the 3, 4, 5 triangle. If not, just use your algebra skills. So that's the answer to part A. 8. The wheel is spun. What is the path of the fly? So it's going to go like that, right? So I think if that's the ground, as the wheel moves, it's going to look something like this. I think. But you can wrap your head around that one. It's hard to imagine. Boop!